What's up, y'all? Let's hit these monkey streets and see what they talking about, y'all. Hello. Seen the ghost? I do like my niggas hood.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, hi guys. Am I invited to the sleepover?
Yeah.
I forget. Yo, what's good, bro?
This nigga lives in the city?
Oh yeah, of course.
This nigga's living in my state in the fucking city?
This is my city.
Nah, nigga.
The fuck?
Atlanta is my city.
We don't know you in Atlanta, Mr. Perks.
Oh, nah. Y'all niggas know me.
Why you in the dark?
I'm the nigga. Cuz. Is it better?
Oh. Did you just hit 3 vapes at one time?
Hey, he famous.
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
You gay.
And y'all ugly as fuck. Pale ass bitch. Bitch, why she got that? Shut your ass up. Y'all little ass kids need to go to bed.
And you
Push
gay
me
shit
away.
nigga. You gay shit, nigga.
The fuck? So your daddy is too.
And your mama, bitch.
Do you want to fight, little bitch? I got a little brother who won't go.
Yes, bitch, you can't fight.
My little brother will beat you the fuck up.
All that overweight ass arm, nigga. All that shit. She gonna fall off.
And you know what? I'm about to go cry. Murder boys.
Yo, what the fuck?
Hi. What y'all doing on this lovely night?
I don't know, but I love your view.
Thank you.
No, for real, where you at?
I'm in Atlanta.
Oh my god, you know that's where I want to live. Like,
In Atlanta?
years.
You
What?
should. It's really nice here, but people are mean.
Well, I guess I fit in.
Bitch.
Oh, who you talking to?
Wait. Do you do YouTube?
No, I'm a rapper. Hey,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm
Don't
good.
care. Oh, bro, let me hit that.
You like people like that at the show.
What?
Do you have dance on?
No. You want to see?
What?
Oh.
Ooh. You ate that.
Thank you. I know I ate. My mug is real tea, huh? Thank you.
Right.
Period.
Right.
Clock it.
Right. Right.
Oh my god, wait a minute. I watch you on TikTok.
A TikTok. Girl, I'm a rapper, but okay, whatever.
No, because I just got done watching you eat the seafood boil.
I'm furious.
Hold on a minute. Hold on, because I literally just got done watching that video. Oh my
Thank
God, I don't know
you.
you don't like
See, this lighting, it's not it. It's not it.
Hey,
Hey. Girl.
what y'all got going on today?
A little family reunion. Also, the skin is skinny. I love that.
Thank you.
Like I just have to acknowledge the fact that the glow on the do-rag matches the glow on the face.
Oh, you
I just have
bitch.
I just have to acknowledge it. Like I just gotta put it out there.
You know what? It's fine, because, real shiny bitch. It's okay.
I know, and I don't even mean that. There was no shade there. I'm saying, like, you're glowing. Like, even the arms, like, glowing. I love it, though. Period.
Thank you.
Hate that. Like, you look good.
Period. Oh, I love Aruba. Oh my gosh, I went to Aruba last year. It's so much fun. One happy island.
Yeah. You know Aruba. Oh, shit.
Yeah, I went to Aruba before. I stayed by the Flamingo Beach.
Oh, okay. I see you.
Yes.
What you doing?
Literally bored.
Where you from?
I'm from Atlanta. Like, it's so boring here.
Yeah.
I need to come back to Aruba. It's so fun, but it's hot.
Yeah, okay.
You like Aruba?
Sorry?
You like it there?
Yeah, I've been living here my whole life, so pretty much, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's fun.
No, yes or no?
Oh, you were so cute.
Thank you, yours too.
Thank-
Look, at my home girl.
What's that smell?
That's what I said.
Oh, girl, it's like, but it's... Bitch, don't drop me.
What the fuck? What up, queen? What up?
Period, I am the motherfucking king. Thank you. Address me appropriately.
Yeah.
Hi.
No, get out.
Oh, my bad. What's good,
That's not
twin?
your real voice, bro. I can tell.
Yeah, this my real
Speak
voice.
normal.
My bad.
In my real voice.
My bad, twin.
My bad, twin. My bad, twin. My bad, twin.
Oh, y'all gay. Oh, y'all on that gay shit. Girl, go your ass to bed. Pop. Girl, you froze. What the fuck, Keisha? Girl, throw that shit away. That's bad for you, honey.
I know, but I mean, I like doing what I like in life. You only get one to live.
But you have a short one. You want a short one or a long one?
However long it gotta be.
Oh, so you don't give a fuck.
I mean, I joined the army, so.
Oh, you really don't give a fuck.
Sooner or later, might as well do whatever I want. If somebody's gonna own me.
I know that's right. You know what? Hell yeah.
Exactly. So down.
Girl, y'all having a motherfucking party, ain't it? I know that's right.
Yup.
I know that's right, y'all. What's good, twin?
Pancakes and waffles.
Huh?
Pancakes and waffles.
Say it again?
Pancakes and waffles.
Neither. I don't like that. I'm too skinny. Like, that's too much bread.
What the fuck? The tiger.
I don't know. No. Tigger the one with the stripes. That one. Mm-hmm.
They both got.
Oh.
They both got stripes.
Oh. Okay, give me another one.
All right. Winnie the Pooh or Smokey the Bear?
Oh, Wendy the Pooh. That's my bitch. Mm-hmm.
All right. KFC or Popeyes?
KFC. Popeyes nasty. Like, only thing good is they fries.
McDonald's or Burger King?
McDonald's. Ew, who eat Burger King?
All right. Last question. If I was in the water and I was drowning, would you pick me up or would you pick the fish up?
Probably the fish, because fish tastes good.
Yo, hungry.
No, I'm just playing. That was a kid. Go your ass the fuck the bed.
God damn!
You just said I'm ugly as fuck.
I did not. No, I didn't. You look like a geek. Bro, no, I did. That's not one TikToker, bro. You look like that.
I'm not a TikTok. I'm a rapper. Thank you. Address me appropriately.
I'm gonna get this shit on camera. Why you zesty?
I'm not even zesty. I got a whole girlfriend right here.
Let me see. Colin.
Call my girlfriend?
Yeah, no, my nigga right here wants you.
Okay, I'm about to call my girlfriend right now.
You like him in the booty though.
What?
Stick it in or you like it in?
Both.
Oh my god.
No, I'm straight for real. I got a girlfriend.
Well, are you usually like? Wait, do you know the Atlanta money glitch?
Yeah, you want some? You see me in the house? I'll be on. I know the glitch.
Money then. Here, my cash app. Please. I know you got some money.
Your little broke ass. Get the fuck on. That spider jacket is hard though.
You see this? I ain't broke. You playing. And I got the cement, nigga. And I got the cement.
Okay, both. Okay, black shirt, black hoodie, and blue sweater. Line it up for $20.
$20? Shut up. $20?
Yeah, let's see.
What you mean lining up?
Like, get y'all one in 30 seconds.
No. And you ain't sending us 20. You gotta send us 20 with us.
Y'all scary as fuck.
Deadass, do it. If you send us 20 right now, deadass.
No, do it first. Then I'm gonna send it. Y'all know I'm gonna send it. I'm not gonna scam you.
No, you're lying, bro.
Why would I be lying? It's $20. Like.
Ain't you laughing about it? I mean, you're lying. And you on TikTok. Who broke in this bitch? And you on TikTok.
This nigga typed in 10,000. On the dead homegirls. Oh, my bad.
You got some right here. Don't say that.
Stop. That's my nigga. Oh. But
Hey, my cash app right now is
that little ass nigga smoking. Y'all need y'all ass whooped.
What the fuck, little my daddy? What's your ass? Nigga, we real white hands around in this bitch. But give me my money, I'll beat the fuck out of bro right now. Come on, damn.
Come on, beat him up first. Come on.
Oh, I swear I seen you on TikTok. That ass on TikTok, young.
Yes.
This nigga, we can. Let me see your TikTok like right now.
Okay. Okay, hold on. I'm about to pull it up.
God, don't break the fucking jaw, chicken. Come on, man, you ain't breaking shit. Bryson, what?
I'm about to show y'all my TikTok.
Put it on TikTok. Put it on TikTok. We'll get you famous on the day, huh? Right on top.
This is my TikTok.
No, that's not shit, dummy.
So we don't look the same.
That's a message.
Did you say she a Mexican?
Wait, you be talking to Nicki Minaj, cuz?
Yes, that's my friend.
Let me see the message.
You want to see the message between me and Nikki? I can show y'all right now.
You talking to Nicki Minaj?
All right, bet. Hold on. Let me. I'm going to type messages right now.
Call and be like, hey, best friend.
Y'all see that?
What he say? What he say? He goes to the gym. He ain't fighting nothing. He ain't doing enough.
You need to fight that gap in your mouth and fight a hairstylist. That's what you need to fight.
You need to stop being gay because you don't get me old.
I got a girlfriend right now.
Don't
make me FaceTime my girlfriend.
FaceTime.
You want to FaceTime for real?
Yeah.
All right. Let me see if she answers.
But like, are you not gay?
No, I got a girlfriend.
So why the fuck are you talking like that?
Because that's how I talk.
Yeah, you gay, bitch. You just doing like, what the fuck?
Neither one of y'all get hoes. I know black shirt don't get no hoes for real. Gray hoodie, gray shirt, he talks too much shit. I know no girls fucking with that shit.
Like, all right, which one? If you like, ask some gay shit, bro. Don't ask that, bro. That's so weird. I could have asked you some weird stuff. Do not ask that, bro. No, I get. I'm just like, you gay? That nigga gay. I believe he gay now. Oh, yeah, I believe he gay now. You just ask me like it gets so gay. I think.
Which one is the fruity one? You?
Right.
Oh, look, my girlfriend just texted me. Oh, you need to brush them teeth. Them shit's yellow as fuck.